Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to clear something in pictures. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open Play Store and search here May2. And install this app from Play Store, and after installation click on open. Click on agree, and click on photo, allow, and you have to select a photo from your gallery. After selecting the photo, search for eraser. Click on eraser and select a size and simply draw the part you want to remove from the photo. So this is how we can clear something in picture.
If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.